The success of devolution is rooted in synergy, collaboration and cooperation between both levels of government, development partners, civil society, and faith-based organizations, private sector, professional association, academia, and the media. But at the top of that pyramid is the Kenyans that we serve. We all need each other to build on the many successes witnessed in the devolved system of governance. It is evident that devolution has been the governance game changer in our country.
Leo tumetembea huku Kirinyaga na tumetembelea hospitali kuu ya level 5 hapa Kutus Kerugoya, and kenye tumeona mambo mengi sana ya maana, na pia kwa sababu sisi katika kaunti ya Turkana hatujaanza hata kuwa na hospitali kama hii, tumekuja kujifunza mambo mengi sana kutoka kwa ujenzi, kutoka kwa vifaa yenye viko ndani hapa. Sisi tumejifunza mambo mengi sana, kwa sababu tunaenda kuanza yetu, tumekuja kupata mafunzo kwa wenzetu kutoka Kirinyaga County. Sana tumepata mafunzo mengi sana kwa ndugu yangu Waziri George na wakurugenzi wa afya huku, na kazi yenye gavana wa Kirinyaga amefanya, Excellency wa Iguru, ni kazi ya maana sana, na tungependa afya ibakie mashinani, ibakie katika county.
Of the task force of Turkana County Level 6 Hospital, we came here to Kirinyaga to benchmark, because it is one of the edifices that we have seen among the many that are already in Kenya, that it is an example of how a devolution idea is working in this country. We have seen an hospital that is giving services within the region of Kirinyaga and the neighboring counties. Why we chose Kirinyaga, we have surely seen by demonstration of how we have been explained from the beginning when we arrived up to where now we are having a press conference. The facility is of its own kind. The edifice, we have not seen it anywhere, even within the old facilities in Kenya. And surely I reiterate what the CC of Kirinyaga has said, that without devolution we could have not have such an idea to be implemented in the country.
Lakini wakati wa devolution ilipokuja, tumeona mazao mazuri kutoka hapo, tumejengewa, tuko na kabro, tumetoka kwa matope, hatukanyangi kwa matope, vitu zetu tunaweka pahali kuko safi. Enyewe hata hatunyeshewi, vitu zetu ziko pahali pazuri. Kwa upande wa security, kwetu security ni nzuri. Serikali imetupatia ulinzi mzuri. Kwa hivyo hata vitu zetu tukiweka tunaziacha tu kwa vibanda, tunazifungia na hazichomeki na hakuna kuimbiwa. Tunafurahia mambo ya serikali ya devolution, sababu mambo mingi yametufanyia, tunaona matunda yake na tunasherehekea na tunafurahia hiyo. Serikali ya Kirinyaga County, wakati tuliwauliza watutengeneze soko, kwanza tushukuru gavana wetu Anne Waiguru, alimetufanyia mazuri sana. Alitusikiza na akakuja mbio, akaona ukweli tunataka usaidizi kutoka kwake. Ndio maana alikuja kwa haraka, tukajengewa, tukawekewa cabros, tukawekewa sheds. Sasa kuna kunyeshewa, tunafurahia hiyo matunda yake, amefanya vizuri.
Ande muikari wa guku Sagana nejikarite guku matuko maingi, na ngiuka kwanja kwari guthuku muno, kwari koru tondu wakoraga riu ta riu guku gutingeikarika ni uria riu kuhana giko, ndoro, mai. Wakoraga riu andu othe manyamarire kunyamara makigeria kugera kuria ramini, gutiragereka ni ngari, no riu ni kwega nĩ tũrona wĩra ũrĩa ũrutĩtwo nĩ kaunti nĩ kwega biũ rĩu tondũ nĩ ũgũkĩona andũ othe rĩu nĩ marakena ona magĩthiĩ ũkaigua rĩu ũkona ona mũndũ wothe nĩ aretĩĩra gũkorwo thĩinĩ wa Sagana ona ahĩtũki maroka magĩtũgathagĩrĩria ũrĩa gũkũ rĩu gwĩ kwega rĩu ũgakoraga mũndũ wothe nĩ arenda gwĩtanio nakuo. Devolution nĩ njega, in fact ona andũ aingĩ tiga nĩkuo materewagwo nĩ devolution nĩ kuga atĩa rĩ, nĩ ikoragwo ĩ njega tondũ nĩ ikuhagĩrĩria andũ. Rĩu ta rĩu hĩndĩ ĩyo ĩngĩ twatũraga na national government rĩ, nona gũtiarĩ maũndũ ta maya, ona ndũngĩonire ona ndũngĩaiguire tondũ yakĩrĩ o kuo na national government yakĩrĩ o kuo na mbere ĩyo, no tũtionaga maendeleo. Twatũraga oro ũguo tũthiaga tũcokaga gũtarĩ ũndũ ũrateithia mũingĩ. No rĩu nĩ tũrona nĩ kwega, in fact nĩ kuhĩrĩirie andũ na tũrĩa tũngĩhoya nĩ mbeca cingĩhe